Hey tech-savvy folks! Ever wondered how to bring the WhatsApp magic to your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Well, today's your day. Stay tuned as we walk you through the quick and easy steps to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 device. Let's get chatting. Fire up the Microsoft Store. Just hit that Windows icon and start typing Microsoft Store. Once you're in, search for WhatsApp. It's as simple as typing it in the search bar. Click on the WhatsApp result from the search. Easy, right? Hit Get to start the download. Let's get WhatsApp on your PC. After the download, click Open to launch WhatsApp on your computer. Now click Get again. This is just a little extra step to make sure you're all set. Grab your mobile phone, open WhatsApp, and click on those three dots in the top right. Tap on Linked Devices, and then link a device. Time to scan that QR code on your PC. It's like connecting the dots. And there you have it, login success. You're now linked and ready to roll with WhatsApp on your PC. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting across devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.